Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your shadow quality setting in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the game options menu. Do so by pressing this button right here, the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller or keyboard. Once in this menu, go to Open Settings. Once in Settings, make sure you're in the Video tab and scroll down to the Advanced Video section. Here under Shadows Quality, you can set it between lowest, low, medium, high and the highest. Once you make your choice, simply apply the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.